Welcome to the Digium Phones training module. Digium Phone settings allow you to assign Switchvox extensions to Digium phones. In this module, the following topics will be covered: assigning extensions to desk phones, assigning extensions to soft phones, and managing unassigned extensions. The Digium Phone settings may be accessed in the Admin web portal by selecting Setup, Phones, Digium Phones. From the first tab, Desk Phones, you may define the Switchvox SIP phone extension that is assigned to a Digium phone. The View drop-down menu allows you to filter by assigned phones, unassigned phones, and ignored phones. Assigned phones are Digium phones with at least one extension assigned to them. Unassigned phones are Digium phones on the network that do not already have a Switchvox extension assigned. Ignored phones are Digium phones that you do not want to assign and you do not want to see in the unassigned list. Let's look at assigned phones. From this view, you can see the MAC address, the phone model, how the phone was configured, and user details. You also have the ability to edit or delete the phone assignment. The two most important columns to note are user details and configured by. The user details column indicates the extensions that are assigned to the phone. Line 1 must be a Switchvox phone extension, but lines 2 through 6, depending on the model of your Digium phone, may be a Switchvox extension or an external extension. The information in the configured by column indicates whether the assignment was phone-based or server-based. Phone-based assignments are created by the phone using the numeric keypad to select the extension for line key 1. Server-based assignments are created through the Switchvox Web Suite bulk import or the extended API. Server-based assignments cannot be changed from the phone. The Quick Create Assignments option allows you to create multiple assignments by associating MAC addresses to extensions. You may select extensions by using the extension search box or by clicking the Select Extension icon. Next, enter the phone's MAC address to associate it with the extension. Desk phone assignment options allow you to configure the authentication options that will be used to create phone-based assignments using the phone's keypad. Click on Desk Phone Assignment Options to display the Assignment Options window. Server name is the name of the Switchvox server as it appears in the phone's list of Digium configuration servers. Assignment Authentication allows you to select the authentication method to be used when registering a Digium phone with Switchvox. The options are assignment code and extension password. Assignment code allows you to select a code of your choice that will be used to provision phones. The code will display the extension list and allow any extension to be assigned. If the extension password option is selected, then the phone will prompt you to enter an extension and its voicemail password. When the correct password is entered, the phone will proceed with the provisioning. If the password is incorrect, you will receive an error warning. Enable Open Enrollment Period allows you to set a period of time where phone-based assignments may be created without any authorization. To set the period of time, enter the number of hours into the field labeled Open Enrollment Period. When you have finished configuring the authentication options, click Save Assignment Options. Now, let's look at the second tab, Soft Phones. From here, you may assign a Switchvox SIP extension to use with the Switchvox Softphone app. Quick Create Assignments allows you to create multiple softphone to extension assignments. To create an extension assignment, type the extension number into the extension field or click the Select Extension icon to see a list. When you select an extension, the email address field will automatically populate if there is an email address associated with the extension profile. If no email address is in the extension profile, then you will need to enter it into the email address field. Like the desk phone's assignment settings, selecting Populate Unassigned Extensions will list all available extensions. When finished, click Save All Assignments. Now that the extension has been assigned, the extension owner may configure their softphone app. There are two ways the user may configure their softphone: through an email link on their mobile device or in the Switchvox end-user web portal on their computer. For a user to configure their softphone via an email link, click the Send Email icon next to their extension assignment. This will send the user an email containing a link with a numeric password. The user will open the email from their mobile device, click on the link, and enter the provided password for their extension when prompted. With the correct password, the softphone opens and configures itself. For a user to configure their softphone app from a computer, they must log into the Switchvox end-user web portal and click on the QR code icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will expand the QR code. The user will then open their softphone app, which becomes a QR code reader, and point the phone's camera towards the computer screen and position the QR code accordingly. The app will begin to load and configure the softphone on the user's mobile device. The third and final tab, Unassigned Extensions, lists all extensions that have not been assigned to a desk phone or a softphone. You may also use the View drop-down menu to show all ignored extensions. To assign a desk phone or softphone to an extension, click the Assign icon. From here, you may select either desk phone or softphone. Selecting desk phone will prompt you to assign a MAC address or an IP address to the extension. Selecting softphone will prompt you to enter or confirm an email address. You may also choose to ignore an extension in the Unassigned Extensions list by selecting the Ignore icon. Now that this course is complete, you should have an understanding of the following topics: assigning extensions to desk phones, assigning extensions to soft phones, and managing unassigned extensions.